In today's video, I am going to teach you how to monetize with Kit. The goal is to show you 3 straightforward ways you can earn money with Kit, using digital products, email sponsorships, and paid recommendations. I will guide you through where to click and what to set up so you can get going quickly and feel confident that everything is working the way it should. First, you will go to the Earn Products area. This is where you can upload a file and sell it directly to people who visit your checkout page. On your screen, look for the section labeled Earn, then select Products. Once you arrive there, you will upload your file. Make sure the file is the correct one for what you plan to sell, because the upload is what ties your product to the checkout flow. After the upload completes, you will set a price. Choose the price that matches the value of what you are offering, and also keep in mind that different audiences may be willing to pay different amounts. When you see the option to share your checkout link, do that next. The checkout link is the key piece you will share with others because it directs customers straight to the buying page. After you generate or view the link, copy it and use it wherever you plan to promote your product. This step matters because a product only earns money when people can find it and complete checkout, so your file, price, and link must all be correct before you move on. Next, you will activate newsletter sponsorships. This is a different monetization route than selling a product, and it focuses on ads inside your emails. To do this, go to Earn Newsletter Sponsorships. When you open that page, you should see options related to automated ad slots in your emails. Your task here is to activate those ad slots so the system can automatically place sponsorship content when your emails are sent. Take a moment to review the settings shown on screen because you want to ensure that sponsorships are enabled and that the ad placement is configured the way you want. Once you activate this feature, the next time your newsletter goes out, Kit can handle the ad insertion for you. This matters because it reduces manual work and creates a more consistent revenue stream, especially if you send newsletters regularly. After you have products and sponsorships set up, you can add one more way to monetize. This is the Paid Recommendations feature, and it lets you promote other newsletters to your audience in exchange for a commission. To begin, go to Earn Paid Recommendations. In this section, you will select newsletters to promote to new subscribers for a commission. Look for the controls that let you browse or choose newsletters that match your audience. Carefully consider which newsletters you select, because your subscribers' experience matters, and recommendations should feel relevant. Once you pick the newsletters you want to promote, confirm the selections in the interface so they are ready to be used for future recommendations. Then you can move on knowing that Kit will handle the commission tracking based on the referral and sign-up flow. That covers everything you need to know about monetizing with Kit. You set up and sell your own products by uploading a file, setting a price, and sharing your checkout link. You earn from email sponsorships by enabling automated ad slots in your newsletter emails. And you earn additional commission through paid recommendations by selecting newsletters to promote to new subscribers. And that is all there is to it.